channel. So for today's video, I am going to make Lady Gaga's inspired makeup look. I saw her music video, Stupid Love. I hope you watched it already. It's very nice music. I am gonna be using a drugstore makeup. If you are watching my previous video, you can notice that the majority of my makeup is drugstore. It's very cheap, it's affordable, and yeah, I hope you will like this look that I'm going to make. Please keep on watching and enjoy it. I already put a moisturizer on my face. Now I'm going to use this Maybelline Newyork Baby Skin Pore Eraser. Like this. And focus. She doesn't have an eyebrow. She didn't put an eyebrow, so I'm still gonna put it. So I'm gonna be using this Maybelline Newyork BrowSatin. Now I'm going to use this Maybelline Newyork Instant Anti-Aging Corrector Concealer. This one. I'm going to use this to prime my eyes because I don't have a primer for my eyes. You can use this anyway, and concealer you can use it to prime your eyes. So first, I'm going to use the lighter shade, which is the Sweetie, this one right here. I'm going to use a doll face. This one, the darker one, the darker than the other pink. If you wanted to have this palette, I'm gonna put the link on my description box so you can buy it. This is vegan and cruelty-free. If you love doing makeup without any worries. I'm gonna wet it with Too Faced setting spray. Dreamy. This one. to clean the edges, the edge of my eyes, because there's white eyeliner there. It's okay to get to get any mistake, because you can clean it up. This is a Maybelline Newyork Superstay. I think I'm going to set it with this translucent powder. This is a bubble powder. I got it from Amazon. So this is the finished look, and it's very awesome. And this is my first time doing this kind of makeup. I'm so proud of myself. Yeah, I hope you like this video. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell for you to get notified on my next video. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.